So today we will learn how to download Python for Windows platform. So first of all, you need to go at python.org/downloads. Here you will find the latest version of the Python. So at the time of recording, I have this 3.10.5 available for the download. So just click this button and you will receive this setup downloading. Now it's about 27 MB setup. Let's open this up, and you have two options available here. The one is install now, the second one is customize option. We are going to use install now option, but in the customize option you have different checkboxes available. You can uncheck it according to your requirement if you know properly about this setting. Otherwise you need to go with the install now option. I will also recommend you to add Python in the path, so later you not face any difficulty when accessing Python from the command line interface, or maybe adding an external editor for Python scripting. So now just click on install now, press yes. It will take a while and it will install the Python setup. And it's now successfully it is installed in our system. Now if I go and search about the Python, see that this is properly installed, and then open it up the command line and just print some message. Assalamu alaikum. And it will give you an output. Likewise, you can also print some kind of mathematical operation as well. 11. One more thing is that you can find also a small editor for Python. Just write Python and you will get also the IDLE software. Now go open this up. So this is one of the basic shell where you can easily write and create new files of the Pythons. So thank you for watching.